Stealth Writer versus Hicks AI. So Stealth Writer is an AI-powered humanizer tool designed to rewrite AI-generated text into more natural, authentic writing that can bypass AI detectors. So the pros of Stealth Writer is it is effectively lowering AI detection scores. On the test, showing detection can drop from 100% to approximately 5%. There are also some good user reviews compared to other platforms, and it's known to outperform tools like Killbot in reducing AI detection scores. The cons of it though is some Reddit reports it describes poor output. It also has some reviewers on ReviewHub that are grammatically error, and there are also some reviews that may still need be necessary eliminating residual to robotic patterns. Now Hex AI on the other hand is a full-featured AI writing assistant offering over 120 tools, including article generators, humanizer modes, and editing tools, and even a Chrome extension. So the pros of Hicks AI is it offers comprehensive platform with tools for article writing, rewriting, summarizing, email writing, and more. Now, for the G2 reviews also it highlights Humanizer helps improving readability and tone. There are also some Reddit users reporting it softens robotic text and helps overcome writers' blocks. And the cons of it though is its bypass tool often fail advanced AI detectors like GPT-0 and Originality AI. So overall, choose Still Writer if your priority is humanizing AI content to best pass AI detectors. And choose Fix AI if you're looking for a full writing toolkit, article generation, rewriting, editing, and humanizing power.